Hello, you have a problem for the crashing in the Red Dead Redemption 2. Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay? And here, okay, if you have the game in Steam, okay, we are going to fix this problem, and we are going to the first step, we are going to the library, okay? And here we are going to search the Red Dead Redemption. I'm not have a game, for example here, and we are going to the manage, okay, and go to the properties, and here in the properties go to the launch options and you put this, okay, and if you have any updates or DLCs, okay, you install these DLCs or updates, and if not have a solution, okay, you uninstall and install the game. Bye bye.